Hi, myself DVS Patel and you are watching Shinerweb YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn how to set QR code in your website or how to generate your QR code in your website by using jQuery. So you must have to see this video till the end so you can set up this QR code in your website, or you know about how to set QR code or generate a QR code for your website easily. Now, before going for a coding, let's check the output first. Here you can see the live output. Now, this is how we generate a QR code. Now, this QR code we are generated for our website like www.shinerweb.com. Now, how is it possible? Let's check let's see step by step. Now, here you can follow our blog step by step. You can also generate a QR code for your project or for your website. Now here you need to follow step 1 is include your JS library. Now first script is jQuery.1.8.2 JS and second one is QRCode mean.js. Now simply copy paste this two library into your simple HTML file. Here I also created one file, simple QR code with jQuery.html. Inside this I copy paste this to JavaScript library. Now second step is what? You need to create one division. So you also need to copy paste this. Here I already created this division. Here you need to remember you provide one ID like ID is equal to QR code. Here you can set your QR code height, width and everything. So whatever your requirement you can set your style with for your QR code. Now finally initialize your QR code or initialize your plugin. Now simply copy paste this code into your page or into your file. I already copy paste this code in my HTML file. Now here you can see we apply ID QR code which already created in division. So you must have to remember this ID we need to provide here. And after that here you can see we provide some text. This text will be converted into your QR code. Suppose here we can add something like, here suppose we will change suppose google.com. so here you can see once we upload this, now so here you can see the QR code generate for www.google.com. So whatever you have to apply inside the text, that text will be generated into the QR code. So this is how you can generate QR code. So if you have any query regarding this QR code generate, you can comment me, or if you face any difficulty while set up this code, please comment us and we will try to resolve your problem. Or if you try QR code in a different way, then please comment us, or please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, then you will get this type of so many videos, or you can see there is so many solutions are available in our website. You can see or you can also follow or visit our website. So I hope you can connecting with us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.